What if you've been missing out on the ideal way to protect your home while keeping things simple? The Arlo Essential Wireless Video Doorbell Security Camera and Chime might just be the solution you've been looking for. Stick around as we go through its standout features, and don't forget to check out the Amazon link in the description if you're ready to make a move. Stay with us, you definitely won't want to pass this up. The Arlo Essential Wireless Video Doorbell offers a sleek, modern look that easily fits any home's exterior. Its completely wireless setup means you can place it wherever you like without fussing over complicated wiring, making it a great choice for both renters and homeowners. With a rechargeable battery, the doorbell gives you the freedom to install it where you need it most, ensuring it keeps working round the clock. If you'd rather have it wired, you can connect it to your existing doorbell setup, maintaining a steady trickle charge at all times. The included Chime adds another layer of convenience by providing an audible signal inside your home, so you'll be aware of any visitors even when your phone isn't nearby. Its simple button layout and user-friendly app make it easy to view live feeds and tweak settings, ensuring that anyone can handle it with ease. Armed with a high-definition camera featuring HDR, the Arlo doorbell records crisp, detailed footage so you can see exactly who's at your door. Its wide 180-degree viewing angle and 1:1 aspect ratio mean you won't miss a thing, from a visitor's face to any packages resting on the ground. Night vision ensures your property stays under watch around the clock, delivering clear visuals even when it's dark out. This is especially handy for late-night deliveries or any unexpected late visitors. If you're thinking it's the right time to level up your home security, now's the perfect moment. Subscribe to stay in the loop about the latest home security trends, making sure you never miss a cutting-edge way to protect the things that matter most. The doorbell also supports two-way audio, letting you talk to whoever's outside, whether you're at home, at work, or on the go. It's a feature that adds real convenience. Give delivery people instructions, welcome guests, or simply check in to make sure all's well. The Arlo Essential Video Doorbell is here to capture what traditional models might miss. By offering more detail, a broader field of view, and a flexible rechargeable battery, it takes your security efforts to the next level. The device's motion detection is fine-tuned with customizable activity zones, so you can choose which areas to monitor. This cuts down on unnecessary pings, ensuring you only get the alerts you actually need. For a step up in safety, there's a built-in siren that you can trigger yourself or set to go off automatically, helping ward off unwanted visitors before a situation escalates. The Arlo Essential Wireless Video Doorbell meshes seamlessly with popular smart home systems, including Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing you to monitor and manage it using simple voice commands. Through the Arlo app, you can stream live footage, check past recordings, and adjust your settings from anywhere. Its intuitive design ensures that staying on top of your home's security is always straightforward. Additionally, the doorbell supports pre-recorded quick replies, so you can address visitors even when you're busy or can't talk directly. This adds another practical layer, ensuring visitors know you're aware of their presence even if you're momentarily tied up. Thanks to its rechargeable battery, you have the flexibility to place the doorbell wherever it's needed most, without worrying about running out of juice. Should you prefer, you can also wire it into your existing doorbell circuitry, giving it a continuous trickle charge. Arlo offers cloud storage through their Arlo Secure plans, granting access to extra features and secure cloud-based video storage. Subscribing to these plans unlocks advanced object detection and customizable activity zones, making the most of the doorbell's capabilities. If you'd rather keep your recordings off the cloud, the doorbell is compatible with Arlo's base station for local storage. This gives you direct control over your footage, letting you choose how and where it's stored. In the end, the Arlo Essential Wireless Video Doorbell Security Camera and Chime delivers a solid, well-rounded way to improve your home's security with modern features and a straightforward design. For more details or to purchase, check the Amazon link in the description. And if you're curious about other home security options, stay tuned. In our next video, we'll be exploring the TP-Link Tapo C420S2 security camera and everything it brings to the table.